How to change the voice language in Microsoft Copilot. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you'd like Microsoft Copilot to speak or understand a different language, you can easily change the language setting. First of all, launch the Microsoft Copilot app on your device and log in. Once you're inside, go to the upper left corner and tap on the menu icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and select your name at the bottom left or your profile picture. On the next page, it'll take you to settings where you need to click Voice Settings. On the next page, tap on the language drop-down under Voice Settings and select a different preferred language. After choosing the language setting, you can now also change the voice by choosing from the voice option. You can also increase or decrease the voice speed from the bottom menu. And finally, get back. Now go ahead and start a voice conversation and the response will be in your selected language. And there you go, that's how you do it. You've successfully learned how to change the voice language in Microsoft Copilot. Now you can enjoy more natural conversations in the language that works best for you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.